Amasomero agasoba mu 20 nga gano ge gawangula mu bitundu ebyenjawulo gye gava mu mpaka z'okwoleka engeri obuli bw'enguzi gye busobola okulwanyisibwamu. Olwaleero bakwataganye mu mpaka ez'akamalirizo ezategekeddwa akakiiko akaateekebwawo omukulembeze w'eggwanga ka State House Anti-Corruption Unity.
Why we say there is corruption in the National Youth Parliament and we say we want to address it, does it mean we neglect other initiatives to combat corruption? But you are granting it the all authority of combating corruption to the youth, not other people. Okay.
Wano bakubaganyizza ebirowoozo ku miramu egy'enjawulo egikwatagana n'omulamu omukulu ogw'olunaku.
Someone who can fight for their country, someone who has testified for corruption, that's a youth.
Can you differentiate between a youth and a patriot?
A patriot? A patriot can be a youth. A youth is the best category. How old are you?
Amyuka Kaliisoliiso wa Gavumenti Patricia Achan Okiria atenderezza obukugu bano bwe bakozesezza mu kukubaganya ebirowoozo.
It's a day that has been marked by intellectual rigor, passionate discussions, eloquent expressions. And I sat there and I was just looking at this intellect, the eloquence, rooted in the values that we hold dear.
Bw'ati abakubiriza babeere basaale mu kulwanyisa obuli bw'enguzi.
You as young people can do a lot to contribute to the war against corruption, such as raising awareness through sports, through drama, through constructive dialogues like in this debate, which we have been really enjoying.
Ono agamba abavubuka be basinga okukosebwa obuli bw'enguzi nga bwe batyo tebasaanidde kuzinga mikono.
Because they are the victims in terms of economic, social and political dimensions in their lives, and anti-corruption measures can consciously seek to inform young people and equip you with information so that even when you stand out to demand for accountability, you're demanding for it from an informed perspective.
Ate Amosingolobe ngono yakiikiridde Brigadier General Henry Isoke akulira State House Anti-Corruption Unity awanjagidde abayizi bano ebirowoozo bye bakubaganyizza baleme bikomya mu bigambo wabula babiteeke mu bikolwa.
Your contribution today were more than just arguments. They were blueprints for the future. Let us take these ideas and channel them into action.
Agasseeko nga bw'alina obukakafu nti ebirowoozo byawulidde mu bavubuka bano bwe banaaba abasaale enguzi yakulinyibwa ku nfeete.
I stand here deeply inspired and optimistic that the energy, passion and ideas shared today are a real testament to the potential of our youth to lead this critical fight against corruption.
Empaka z'omulundi guno ziwanguddwa essomero Linyakashula High School nga Mbalala High School ekutte kyakubiri. Andrew Kagwa, Agafeeyo, Spark TV.